here? There's a train nearby. I can't really get close to her. Half the stuff she says, I can't make sense of it. I just hope she finds some peace and a way out. It doesn't help there are rumors of Umibozu, a sea giant. I'm sorry! I'm so sorry! Oh my god! Oh my f***ing god! Okay, well, let's go. Where are we gonna go? Station. I think this is the station. Whoa! You're gonna eat me? No, I am not gonna eat you! If you're gonna lie and say you didn't eat it, then take me to the next station and prove it! But you can't move the train without the lever, so I guess it's impossible. I'm too scared to move. If you're really not the same good for nothing, go find a lever we need to get this train moving. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will. I got you. I ain't no killer.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Can I walk on this? Oh dude. This is kind of sick. Maybe I can catch one? Wait. It was like right next to me, dude. I felt it. Brushed up against me and everything. Run it back. Man. Okay, they're really far away. This is really hard, guys. Wait. Is that a shark? Is this a f***ing shark? Oh, it's a little hammerhead. Oh, I'm sad. I've done this to him. Upgrade the boost speed. We'll try to see if we can catch one from that. I want it so bad, dude. Dude, my harpoon can't even keep up with my boat. Wait. Well, that one almost came near me. Just don't look. Just don't look at him. Got it! I got it! I wish I didn't get it. 30. Oh my god, I hate it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I'll just keep looking down until I see one in my peripheral. I wasn't aiming. Okay, patience is key. Patience is key, chat. Okay, wait. Wait for it. Just wait for it. Here it comes. Got it! Wait, what? Wait! Wait, it's coming!
That's what she said.
Bro, this is my shot. Oh, I got it! Yeah, baby! I fucking got it! Let's fucking go! Oh my god, actually this is so professional, dude. Look at its beauty. Look at this. Oh, hey, wait. Oh! That's what I said. Listen, fishing can be dangerous, but as long as you have the courage to really take out a whale, you can do anything, you know? Oh, I caught a giant... Oh, it's an anglerfish, guys! It's an anglerfish. Let me sell this. 750,000. Bro, I'm actually rich, dude. I'm actually rich. Hello? I'm just here to check it out. Hold. Use fuel to rotate the Ferris wheel. Oh, for what though? How can I tell? What? Oh, the yellow one! The yellow one! Yes, the yellow one! Oh, I can't wait to get inside of it! Well, now what? Oh! I guess I need this. What do I have? Ah! Light installed. Whoa! There's a light now. I can look in the water. Dude, that's so cool. Is that it though? That's really it? What about the leather? Okay, so I guess there's another guy here. What is that? God, I hate when this shit gets in the way. What in the f am I looking at? I don't know, but it's worth 15,000. Okay, let's see what's over here. What's this? Hello? Guys, is that is this like that anime with the Gojo?
Yeah, don't do that, okay?
What the? What the heck? I don't know, I just feel dirty. It's been bothering me. Are you a dirty little boy? Ever since I turned, my body and my mind feel sticky, like I'm not clean. I'm hungry and I want to eat, but I want to eat clean fish. A fish at the construction site that turns invisible in the dark. One-eyed ghost. Those little guys, it's like they're avoiding the light because they're bothered by how dirty they are. Bring me 3 of them. Looks like you'll need a light. Yes, I already did that. Hold on one sec. I don't know how that worked out so perfectly. Hold up. I think this is the next station, but I just need to look at it. I have the desire to see it. Oh, what's that? Well, that goes deep, huh? That goes deep under there. Let me up. Ew, ew! I think that might be her sister. Yeesh, it is not looking good, brother. This is how it feels. Is this how it feels? To 5 chew gum, chew 5 gum, 5 chew it. Alright, I am here with your lever. Your hero has arrived. Alright, here's your lever. Let's go. What about my boat? Wait, what about my boat? Are we gonna go underwater? Oh, I'm a little scared. Don't worry, I've got this. I've been operating a train for 10 years now. It's called Emotions. Oh, that was a roller coaster. Well, it's like really similar, so don't worry about it. What's happening? Why is it getting dark? Hello? I'm aimed! I've got you in my sights! What is it? What is that? Oh my god, what is that thing? Hold on, I'll shoot it! I can't... I'll save you, m'lady! I've got it, I've got this! Ah! It's not over yet! It's not over yet! Ah! 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 No, I've got you! Oh, fuck, we're almost there! We're almost there, don't worry! Don't worry, we're almost there! Oh. Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? What are we waiting for? Ah! Did we get him? Did we get him? Holy s***. What the f*** was that? I don't think I've ever had to fight the tentacles that hard in my life.
What do you mean by that?
That was a lot. Take a drink of water. All those tentacles really dehydrated me.
Oh, that's nasty.
It's a good. He was a crosswalk officer or something like that. Ah! No, 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 not again! No, no, no! Get away from me! What the f? No, stay away from her! What is that? Yeah, you're just like a happy little dolphin guy out there. Okay. Okay. Glad everything's going well for you. You keep your headphones on. It's shit's crazy. Holy. That was definitely a fish. I mean, it looks like any other fish I've seen, that's for sure. Had some eyes, some hands. All fish have those. Okay, lady, we're here. I hope I don't have to go back. You're here! You're here! You did it! Oh, she's cute. Oh, she feels good. She feels good, that's good. Okay, come on. Come on out of here. We got this. Look, you did it. We did it. We did that together. I've been thinking about my sister this whole... Ooh, I think she found her sister. When I watched her while she was talking... I'm the one who ate my sister! In this hopeless world, I can feel a glimpse of light. I'll leave something on the train for you. Thank you. You are welcome. That was crazy Dio. Holy sh**. How many bells I got this time? Please don't be more than 3. Wait, where's my boat? Okay, well, I think I have to just go home. I think I just have to go back. I hope it's not as far as the last time. Or as scary. Jesus. Oh, it's right here. Why was it so far for the... Why can't we just put the train in reverse? Come on, guys. What was that about? That's crazy. That's crazy. This is the last bell to be installed. Hey, yo, let's go. It's all the way up there. Okay, from first island. Okay, we can do it. I can't wait to go to the, Can't wait to go to the department store. I've never been hit by these windmills. I don't know if I can be. But we're about to find out! Let's f***ing go! Ow! It actually did hit me. It actually f***ing hit me. Okay, let's see. It kind of goes in like a little U shape. I'll do my best. Okay, boat speed level 5 required. Here we go, guys. Here we f***ing go. Don't hit it yet. Hit it, hit it. Okay. Why is it elevated? Oh, I hit it. I actually f***ing hit it, bro. Holy shit. Okay, where's the gate? There's the gate. There it is. There it is. Not even close. Not even close, dude. Easy, dude. Ouch. That was no contest right there, dude. That was actually so f***ing good. First try, by the way. First try. Yes, thank you.